A linear number sequence, often referred to as an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, is a sequence of numbers where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant difference is called the common difference, denoted by d. Linear number sequences are particularly useful in various mathematical contexts, such as in arithmetic series, solving linear equations, and modeling real-world situations involving constant rates of change. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.